Hello, all you wonderful people out in YouTube land, and welcome to the Dollar Store Pour. Thank you so much for joining me. It is a beautiful day to paint, so let's go ahead and get to it. So where I live, it's fall, autumn, and actually I'm probably a few weeks late on this because the pretty part of fall has pretty much come and gone. The leaves are almost all off the tree. What's left is just sort of brownish, orangish, but at any rate, I wanted to do a fall-themed motif. So I've got yellow, red, and of course orange, typical leaf colors. A little bit of brown in there as well, because that's what the leaves turn into. And where I live, there's a lot of coniferous trees, fir, spruce, pine, you know, the evergreens, the Christmas trees. And so I've got some green here to go along with that. And actually the green is going to be in the form of a string pull. And I'll just put the string in there now. And we'll just do a pour here of the autumn colors and then get the green on there. Ready to go. Oh, as well, I should mention, of course, PVA glue and water in all of them. That's all I've added to the green. It's just the PVA glue and water. In the yellow, I've got dish soap. In the red, I have baby oil. In the orange, I have the leather waterproofing spray stuff. And in the brown, I have some alcohol. So in no particular order, let's just get the paint on the canvas. Just a little bit of the brown. I don't want a whole lot of the brown, but it is present, so there's no reason for it not to be on there. A little bit more here. I always like to try to make sure I get enough so that as I swish it around, you know, I'm going to have to get all the corners and get everything involved. So sometimes there's a little extra paint involved, but I guess that can't be helped. Out of the yellow. All right, there goes the red. Get that out of the way. And we might as well finish up the yellows. Not much left in there. There we go. And just a little bit of the orange and brown. I'll hold those to the side just in case I need them. And otherwise, let's get this all over. Oh, let's torch it first. Now let's get it all over the canvas. The string pull involved. course, making sure we get all the corners, all the sides. Almost done. Alright, okay, there we are. Alright, I'm just going to give that a quick torch before I do the string pull on it. Let's get these clothes off. Because once I do the string pull, I won't be torching it again. Alright, well, I do see some cell formation going on. Let's see. Definitely up in that corner, some there, move it there, some there. So let's get the string on there and we'll see just what we end up with. And no knot in this one. That's always nice when that happens. Kind of randomly putting it on there. And we'll see if this one is knotted up. As I smush the string into the paint and swirl it around a little bit to make sure I get full coverage, sometimes I'll get little knots, and that's a pain to get a paint-soaked knot out. Alright, that'll do. So, let's just let those sit for another second. And let's get these going here. Let's see just what we get. First string down, add a little bit of green. I wasn't looking for the green to make a huge presence, but I did just want it to be there. And I very much like how that turned out. Let's try number 2. Let's go ahead and pull it the other way, actually, just because why not? Go, string number 2. So green has definitely made its presence known. And I do see a lot of cells in there popping up, even as it sits a little bit. So I think what we're going to go ahead and do, like usual, we'll let it sit, give it a good half hour or so. And we'll come back and see just what we have. Alright, so it's been just about a half an hour. I'm just going to be able to close up. I do see a lot of little cell formation popping up as it sat for a bit, which is fairly standard. Okay, so that's going to do it for me. I hope you liked what you saw. If you did, go ahead and throw a like my way. It would be greatly appreciated. Feel free to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. And that way you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Thank you all for watching so much, and I will see all you wonderful people next time.